A violent car crash disturbed Fort Lauderdale neighborhood when a rented 2021 Lamborghini Urus ran the stop sign. It was traveling at a high rate of speed when a Nissan Pathfinder T-boned the Urus, sending it flying into the air and landing on a nearby house before it tumbled to the ground and burst into flames. Residents who heard the accident ran to help, with one person pulling the Lamborghini Urus driver free from the wreckage. However, the driver didn't wait for medics or law enforcement to arrive. The driver allegedly took off running from the scene without shoes after the accident. Fort Lauderdale fire rescue units arrived shortly after that to put out the fire and clean up the accident. One person involved in the crash suffered minor injuries. Surveillance footage from a nearby residence captured the Urus traveling at a high rate of speed when it ran the stop sign at the intersection.